Are you looking for a meal that is packed with protein, fiber and vitamin? Well, this recipe is simple, quick and delicious, and it is full of nutrients. Let us see how to prepare the Quinoa Asparagus Bowl. Well, the preparation time for this recipe is around 20 minutes. For this recipe, I used pre-soaked quinoa and vegetables like carrot, beans and green peas and broccolis, and spices like cumin, coriander powder, turmeric powder, chili powder, salt and pepper. Heat the oil. After that, add cumin seed and onion. When the chopped onion turn golden, start adding all the vegetable one by one and mix them and lower the sim and cook them for 10 minutes. After all the vegetables are done, add green peas. After that, add pre-soaked quinoa and mix it well. Important point to remember is that for 1 cup of quinoa, you have to add 2 cups of water. And again mix the ingredient very well and then squeeze half lemon and cover the lid and let it cook for another 7 to 10 minutes. After the quinoa vegetable mixture are well cooked, add baby spinach for flavor. Now for the sauté asparagus recipe, add half teaspoon of butter. In that you add asparagus and sauté it with pepper and salt. After 5 minutes of sauté, sprinkle sesame seed to add crunchiness in the asparagus. Your quinoa asparagus bowl is all ready. You can eat it with some dip and you can squeeze a lemon to add more flavor. Well, this recipe is quick, easy and delicious. If you love this recipe, then please like and share my channel Food Thesis. Thank you.